Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to apply AI replacement in Picsart AI Editor. First of all, make sure you have the application installed and it is up to date. Now open the application. From the bottom menu, click on plus icon. Now in the AI tools, scroll a little bit on the right side and click on AI replace. You can simply select your photo. You can use this brush tool and click on replace. Select something from here, or you can also write it. For example, I am selecting blue sky, and as you can see that it is updated over there. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button as we are about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you.